So we're going to add 2y. Let me just review number 1. So example 1, you're going to follow the 5-step process. You're going to group your like terms. You're going to subtract first, then divide, and then you're going to complete the check. Example 2, we're going to follow the same process. We need to group our variables together. So I'm going to move the 2y to the left side by adding it to both sides. And I get 5y equals 15, divide by 5, and I get y equals 3. Again, I can do the check here, and I can plug it in. So 3 times 3 is equal to 15 minus 2 times 3. 9 equals 15 minus 6. 9 equals 9. It checks. So again, my correct solution is y equals, or you can put the value in the set brackets. Number 3, both A and B, notice we got some fractions here. So the first thing I'm going to do is clear my fraction. So I am going to take my equation and I'm going to multiply everything by 5 to clear out that fraction. So multiply this one by 5, this one by 5, and this one. So this would cancel this one, and I'm left with 4x plus 15 equals 5x. Now I don't have a fraction to deal with, and now I can just group my like terms. Now I know in the book they're solving it a different method, but it makes it a lot easier if you get rid of the fractions right from the beginning. So then now I get 15 equals x. I'll flip it around, make it easier to read, and I get x equals 15. So the solution is 15. On part B here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to clear my fraction first. So I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 9. It will clear the fraction. Okay, so here 8 plus x equals 9x. And then I'm going to move the x over. And then 8 equals 8x. Divide by 8. And 1 equals x. So again, you can leave it like that, flip it around, or also put it in the set brackets. Let's see what's next. So here's another example. Now again, if we follow that 5-step process, my first step should be to clear all of the parentheses. So I'm going to distribute the 7 to the a and the 7 to the -2. So 7a minus 14 minus 6. I'm just rewriting everything. Now I'm going to go back and group some like terms. Over on the left side, I have a -14 and a -6. Over here on the right, I've got a 2a and a 1a. So here I would get 7a, and I'm going to add 14 and the 6 and get -20. By moving Okay, so homework is 2 through 48 even and 1 through 20 all. Then tomorrow, we'll go over this homework and we'll also review for your test.